Hi everybody, I hope that you're fine. In this video, I'm trying to install a new domain controller. Okay, so in this day, I'm preparing for some certification of red teaming and penetration testing like CRTP and OSIP, Offensive Security Certified Professional. So I'm trying to mix between the hack the box machine and by creating a new environment locally at the directory and machines to see how we can exactly attack the Active Directory and try to see the IUCs and how this attack impacts on the domain controller, what are the triggers, what are the events happening, and so on. And on the other side, also, I'm trying to get my hand dirty and build this lab so I can learn more stuff. Okay, so I really did this before, but I had some problem with the domain controller VM, so I will try to install from the beginning with you. So let's see how we can build this lab. Okay, so we will download the Windows Server 2019. Okay? Windows Server 2019. Okay, the first link, and we will download the ISO. Okay, and you can add any data here. I'll need to put your real information. Okay, that's random data. Right. Okay. Okay. And download. I will choose English one, English version, the 64-bit edition. Okay, the ISO one, and I will click on the download. As you can see here, it may take some times. Okay, so I already downloaded before. Okay, it's already here. So now we will go to installation pause. Okay, we will start installing the domain controller. First, we create the machine. Okay, new machine. Okay, I will start slowly to understand with me so you can understand with me. Okay, new machine, and we click typically next. Okay, I will install the operating system later. I will later add it to the disk. Okay, we'll choose Microsoft, Windows, okay, domain server to domain server 2016. It's enough, okay? So we will call it domain controller, okay? And you can store, save it in anywhere you want, okay? I will let it with the default configuration in virtual document virtual machines. Okay, perfect. No machines. Okay, document virtual machines, and we will put it in, or we create a new folder called domain controller. Okay, and we will put it here. No, it's giving me new document. Okay, that's it. Perfect. And we clicked on next. We put here 16 is enough. Okay, you can store this file with single file or into multiple files. I will choose the first one. I have never used it before, but I will try to use it this one to see what's going on. Okay, this option is good to remove or to moving the entire disk from place to place. I had some problem with this. Sometimes disk hang out, sometimes some errors appears for a reason or another. Okay, so I try with this and see if that error still appear or not. Okay, and finish. Okay, just one moment. We will edit some settings. Okay, two for RAM, two for the processors, okay. And the disk, we come here and select our ISO file. Where is this? Is the ISO file, okay. All right, we create. All right, I will put it in the host only in the VMnet exactly, okay. Perfect, and we create on power on. Perfect. Okay, now it's loading the files, as you can see here. If this takes so long, I will cut the video, so the video will not. So okay, so everything is good. It doesn't take so long. Okay, I will create. I will take the keyboard input is US. I will use the keyboard as Azerty, which is the French, exactly. Okay, and install now. Perfect. I will use this is the standard evaluation desktop uh, environment or experience, desktop experience. Okay, this is data center has more feature than the standard evaluation, but we will take uh, the standard evaluation. Okay, data center evaluation has more feature than the standard evaluation, but we will keep with the standard evaluation for this video. Okay, I accept. Okay, custom install only advanced, right? Next, and now is installing the files. Okay, and we'll create on this button, which is Control Alt Delete to go to login pane or login now, and now we are in domain controller. After that, we will try to install the tools, VM tools, so the screen will be so big than that, and some other helpful tools that will help us in the management of the domain controller. Okay, just one moment, and we create. And we click on the install VMware tools. Okay, install. Okay, so as you will see here, Perfect. And we click on install the tools. Perfect. Okay. So you click on next, typical, next, install, and the tool is on installing right now. Okay, we will wait some time. As you can see, how the screen is big right now, and everything is good. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is changing the name of the DC. Okay. Or we will first changing the name of the DC, then we will restore the computer once. Okay. So we go to this PC, we will create, or we click on the properties, and we will change. Okay, we create here domain controller. Okay, or just DC is enough. Okay, this, and we will change also this DC, as you can see here. All right, I will change it later. Apply and restart now. Now we will log in into domain one time. Okay, we will enter the password as we can see here, and we will check if the name has changed or not. Perfect. Right click, properties, and DC as you can see here. Okay. Okay, now we will promote this server to be a domain controller. Okay, so how we can do this? Perfect. Don't try managing servers with Windows Admin Center. Okay, perfect. Now we will go to manage and add role and features. Okay. Okay, so begin. Okay, we will click on next role-based feature-based role-based or feature-based installation. Okay, we'll choose that. After that, we'll write DC. This is our server or our machine on 7. Later, we will change also the IP to dynamic IP to static IP. Okay. And what we are going to install is the Active Directory domain services. Okay. We can install also the DNS, but it's by default, right? We can install or we can let it, but we can install it either. Okay. Normally, it will install automatically with the domain services. Then next. Restore destination server automatically is required. Okay, yes. And install, and we'll wait until the machine or the server install its tools. Okay, just 1 or 2 minutes maybe. Now we can create. Alright, what we are going to do right now is to promote this server to a domain controller. Okay. Now you create a new domain controller because we don't have any forest. Okay, we'll add a new forest. We call it in my case hbb.local. Right. Okay, so forest functional level is 2016. We create the password of the SLM password. Okay, make sure you remember this password. Okay, and click on the next. Delegation for DNS server cannot be created because the authoritative foreign zone. Okay, no problem. We create on the next. Let's buy his domain name. Just one moment. Okay, it's HTTP. Perfect. And the NTDS, the database are under the C Windows NTDS folder. Okay, perfect. Okay, next, and we'll install right now. And click on the install. Question. خلاص صاي سهل تمام صاي. As you can see here, we finished the server finished the installation of domain services. Now it will reboot. Because the domain controller will use it in everything in the DSCP, in the DNS, so the IP address of the domain controller must be static one. Okay, so we'll open the service manager. Okay, server manager, excuse me, and we will go to in local server, and here we will choose Ethernet 0 IPv4 assignment by DSCP, and we create on it. Then we will choose to change the IP address based on my network, okay? Based on my network. So my network is 192.168.1.0/24, okay? I will choose IP in this range. 1100 is okay. Okay, you can choose based on your IP range, IP network range. Okay, and we click OK, and now everything is okay. As you can see here. And by that, we complete the installation of the domain controller. We will add more videos, so stay tuned to see how we can hack this Active Directory and do some lab of red teaming and penetration testing on the domain controller. Okay, so as I said, stay tuned, subscribe, and give us a like for the next videos are coming. So bye bye.